Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you can see from my fingers and from the canvas, I've already had to scrape my first painting attempt this morning. I tried to do another flip cup to try and match up the two others that I've done that sort of look like Africa from the air, but as usual the green took over, mixed with the black and made a very dark sort of khaki color. So I gave up that attempt, scraped it, and now we are going to do a swipe, which I haven't actually done for quite a long time, so I'm quite looking forward to seeing how it goes. The colors we're using, my base color is going to be white, and then we've got a nice silver, a phthalo blue, and obviously my favorite violet. My swipe color is going to be a slightly lighter blue. So first things first, let's get the base layer down, and then I'll cut back when we're ready to do the swipe. Right guys, there we go. I'm not sure whether I'm going to do a swipe from the middle or just actually I think I will do a swipe from the middle, but I'm not going to do it in the way that I did before where I laid all the colors on top of each other. I think I'm going to do it the old way, where I sort of just covered the canvas with paint and then swiped over that instead of putting them all in a line together. So let's see if we can do that. I think I will put a line in the middle just to show where it is. Right, there we go, that's looking good. As I said before, my swipe color of the cell activator is this sort of light blue. Hopefully it's not going to sort of take over the dark blue, but let's wait and see what happens there. Actually, you know what, I've been swiping with the paper towel, but I think what I'm going to do now is, as I did previously, is do the swipe with a piece of paper and see how that goes. So let's get the cell activator down and we can get going with the swipe. Alright guys, there we go. Oh, we're getting some fantastic cells here, which I've been missing in my last few pours. So I'm very happy that that we're starting to get the cell action again. I'm not really sure what I've been doing wrong in my last pours, but so be it. Let me get some flame on here and see what happens. Right guys, there we go. I think I've got it all. The sides, yeah, they don't look fantastic, but that's besides the point. The front of it looks great, so I'm very happy about that. I'm just going to flame it one more time, see if we can get a few more cells coming through here. I do know that if I swipe it again, it's probably going to get even crazier cells, but I just like this section here already, so I'm not really sure I want to do that. Let's just give it a bit of extra flame here and see if we can get rid of this mass of blue in the middle. So I think what I might do is do the swipe through the middle like this. Let me just get a little bit of colors on here if I can. A little bit of cell activator, not too much because there's already a little bit in there. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's hope this works. There we go. Well, that certainly took care of the blue squidge in the middle. And as you can see, when you do it the second time, you get, for some reason, you get much nicer cells. I'm not really sure why that is, but it's done the trick. Got a beautiful cell-filled stripe down the middle, and it's filling up with cells as I flame it, so very happy about that. Alright guys, I think I'm going to leave it at that. A little bit of success finally after my failed pour earlier, and really nice to do a swipe again. I love how the cells developed, maybe not as many cells as I'd normally get, so I'm not sure what's going on with that, but yeah, I'll take it. After my first pour today I was a little bit disillusioned, but this has restored my faith in the process. I'm guessing that my previous flip cup pour, the paints weren't really thin enough, so that was probably why we didn't get the cell action. I made these ones a lot thinner now for this swipe, so I'm just cleaning up the edges so that we don't have any of that green coming through, and I'm just going to finally take off the bottom bit. Right guys, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed that swipe. I really like the color palette that's come through here. The violet is mixing nicely with the white to sort of make this light purple. We've got a little bit of grey, we've got some nice blues with some white coming through as well, and I particularly like this swipe across the middle just to sort of get rid of that main bit of swipe color there. So yeah, that's going to be it for today guys. Hope you've had a good week. My mum went back to Joburg on Wednesday, so a little bit quiet in the house now. I know Dylan is missing her, as we all are, and hopefully we'll see her again soon. But it was great to have her here and to do some pours for her, and to have her here to watch me doing what I love, my new hobby. So that's it guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I think we're up to 360 odd subscribers now, so next stop is 400. So if you guys are watching this and you're not subscribed, please go hit that subscribe button. Doesn't cost a thing, and of course it just helps grow the channel. So that's it guys. Have a great weekend. I'll probably be back later, or should I say early next week, with another pour. But until then, I'm going to cut to the close-up, and you have a good one. Cheers.